All right, so yesterday a few people were overwhelmed by this video on how to use ChatGPT to make money online. I told you you can get 10K per day just off of one commission, guys. But I'm going to dial it back today because in the comments, a few people were a little overwhelmed and they were like maybe insecure, don't know if they can do it or whatever. But I am going to show you an easy way to get 5K per day using ChatGPT and a little bit of creativity and systems. Don't worry. Make sure you go ahead and sign up below for free at a free trial. And I'm going to send you everything, the scripts and all of that for partnerships. So we went over these yesterday. Today, I'm going to show you a couple more niches. And all you do is you're going to partner with these people and you're going to do something that we call drop servicing, where you promote the service, even though you're not going to do the fulfillment. You get the sale, you give them a cut, and they do all of the work. Okay. So today we're going to start with solar panel installation. So guess what? With ChatGPT, it took out these niches for me. It's going to create the content for me and it's going to create the script. Don't worry. At the end, I am going to give you my favorite niche that you can make a killing with every single day. Watch this. Look, solar panel installations. ChatGPT recommended this one. So look at this. Solar panels installation Chicago costs. I'm going to show you how you can get the traffic and everything. A lot of people are like, okay, well, how do we get the traffic after we get the partners? So first, just focus on this. Look, on average, solar panels would cost, as far as installation, 13K to 18K. So I know that's over 5K, guys, but I can't really like force it to be any lower. So I'm going to give you the script. The script for what? All you're going to do is you're going to be reaching out to these people using softwares, AI, bots, the things that I'm going to transfer to you. You don't have to manually do none of this stuff, right? So when you reach out to them, it's basically going to say, hey, I want to partner with you. I'm going to be sending you a lot of people that are going to pay for a solar panel installation. They're going to be able to be pre-qualified in the areas that you want, blah, blah, blah. Once they say yes, blah, 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 we're going to use these bots to start generating the leads, and you're going to get paid every time they close. On top of that, you can get paid for a lead as well. So that's called the hybrid model. So next up, we have home theater installation or home theater system costs. Check this out. Look how much it costs. Expect to pay on average 17K to around 63K. You see what I'm saying? So the actual cost can be, 2K to 63K. So this is something that's been like pretty much taken off. A lot of people, especially in the suburbs, they're making a lot of money out there, if you know what I'm talking about. Okay. So check this out. Watch this. Look, home theater system, Chicago. So they were asking, how do we get the traffic? So what I recommend you do is you rank in a snack pack. You partner with these companies and you start dominating the snack pack using the free courses that I'm going to send you when you sign up below. Okay. And you're going to partner with all of these people. Don't look at them as competition. Look at them as fulfillment teams. Okay. You're leveraging them. They're going to do all of the work. They have to pay for everything. They have to do all of that. All you have to do is generate the lead that comes in. And remember, you can get paid for the lead and you're going to get paid when a person actually gets home theater installation. And ChatGPT was smart enough to recommend this niche right here. So this is how you can use it. You can use ChatGPT to create content for this. Okay. So as you can see, it recommended it down here. So next up, it says professional grade kitchen appliances or outdoor grills. This one is my favorite one because we were actually generating leads for this one right here. So we're going to move on. Watch this. Outdoor kitchen island, Chicago cost. So watch this. I want to show you what this looks like. This is an outdoor kitchen island, just in case you've never seen it before. Super awesome. Look at this. Look at these pictures right here. Now you can see why the average person or a person that's trying to upgrade their home, make it look good and all of that, they would pay for this. Look at the type of home that this goes to. So don't think that these people won't be able to afford it. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Yes, they can afford it. So we're going to come back here and look at the prices. Look, it says around, $13,000. So it's still higher than 5K. I'm doing my best, y'all. I'm doing my best. But like I said, these people will pay you probably like $500 just per phone call. So don't even calculate that when it comes to your commission if they actually close the sale. See, this type of stuff is high intent, guys. It's high intent. What I mean by that is people aren't going to really call this number unless they're actually trying to get it done. You're not going to get too many window shoppers for something as high ticket as this. Usually people that have money like this, they're just looking to get things done. They're not trying to play around. So how would you get traffic to this? You're going to rank the same way you do the other things. You want to rank in the snack pack right here by partnering with the business, getting an address, and using the Google snack pack attack course that I'm going to give you. On top of that, you can get right here in the people also ask area. You see what I'm saying? How would you do that? You want to create the FAQ section when you're doing your SEO on your site. And, I would name it people also ask. It can also get you a featured snippet for things that don't have a snack pack on top of that. You see what I'm saying? So other than that, the only competition is directory listings. Okay, so you can definitely start getting some quick traffic for this. I was ranking YouTube videos for this, if you don't know. So it's not competitive at all. So what's next on the list? What does ChatGPT recommend next? Okay, so it says luxury watches. We're going to pass that up. Come down here. It says home automation. Did we already check out home automation? We got the outdoor. Here we go. Home automation systems cost. Okay, so it says it can cost between $2,000 to $6,000, guys. So that's a little bit more like it. Okay, it's closer to the $5K that you guys were looking for, and you're going to get traffic the same way. If you don't know what this is and why it will cost this much, this is what it is. Home automation systems. You can pretty much run your entire house from like a tablet type of situation. You can have it open the curtains, turn the music on, turn the lights off, some scary stuff. You understand what I'm saying? Might even be able to turn the tub on, the water in the tub. You can have it lock the doors and do all of that stuff, right? Lock the doors, close the doors, Teddy Pendergrass style, right? So this is the smart home installation, and a lot of people are definitely doing that. They're upgrading their style, and right now it's still low competition as far as SEO go. Where do you want to go? You want to partner in here. So why do I keep saying partner with the business owners? Well, the reason being is because they're your allies. You're going to leverage them. Google had an update recently where it's making it very hard for marketers to get in a snack pack. They keep taking the listings down and everything. But if you partner with a business owner, they'll have the licensing. They'll be able to verify they're a real business. They'll be able to do all of that for Google. And they're going to do it because you're going to be ranking this stuff for them and sending them all of these leads and sales. And then you're going to be the gatekeeper to the money. All right. The money comes through you guys. All right. And you can also rank organically using the perfect SEO game plan that I'm going to send you. So you definitely want to sign up for that free trial below in the in the pinned comment section. Okay. So do that, guys. Now, next, one of my favorites. This is one of my favorites. So then it says luxury travel services. I really don't like showing these niches right here because, man, look. Okay, here we go. I got to. I'm going to have to do it. All right. So yacht charter costs in Chicago. So we're using Chicago for today, man. So it says selling in Chicago, usually like down south, is going to be a lot more expensive. But if you don't know what a yacht is, then I'll just show you what a yacht is right here. These are yachts, okay? But as you can see, it'll be better if I just come to the site. But before I take you to the site, the same way, you're going to be getting traffic the same way. If you want to run ads, you can run ads too. You can run Google ads. I'll show you how to do that and stuff inside the Godfather Drop Service and course, as well as doing some SEO. It's only directory listing websites on the first page of Google, guys. And it will be easy to get in the snack pack, and I'll rank these guys. Now, let me show you how much you can make with this. Check this out. This is a directory site as well, and it has listings on here. As you can see, look, this one is $14.50 for a fourth of a day. This one is a half a day for $1,600, and voila, look at this. $4,000 for a half a day. Most people aren't going to rent a yacht for a half a day. Most people are going to rent it for the weekend or something like that. So you're going to make a killing off of this commission. So like I said, these people will literally pay you a few hundred just for the phone call because of high intent. People aren't going to really call unless they're actually trying to book this stuff, guys. So most of the time people call and say, hey, how do I pay? You see, so if you can get per call, do a hybrid model, and you do the per commission as well, boom, you can pay twice off the same deal. Look at this one over here. Tell me my eyes don't deceive me. This one says $25,000 for a half a day. Set sail in Chicago on luxurious and comfortable motor yacht. $25,000 for half a day. That means $50,000 for a full day. Of course, that's going to come with the captain. Let's open it up and see everything that it comes with. See, this is why ChatGPT is so unique and powerful, because it found a lot of the niches that I usually don't tell you guys about. Usually, if you go to these SMMA coaches and courses, they're always going to recommend you go after doctors, dentists, lawyers, realtors, and chiropractors and stuff, and maybe even roofers. But ChatGPT is smarter than that. They want you to make a lot of money. So it's recommending to you stuff like private jets and yachts, the things that I've been dealing with since the beginning of the scamdemic of 2020, right? So check this out. Look at all the stuff that it comes with. Food, gourmet plated menus, buffet, food stations, hors d'oeuvres. It can have up to 175 guests on a deck. You see what I'm saying? Drinks, entertainment, all of that extra stuff, guys. So this is why people will pay $25,000. This is not to buy it. It is to rent it. It comes with a captain included, comes with fuel included. You understand what I'm saying? Like, people are trying to really go all out and do some stuff like this. And I can show you how to create an irresistible offer to make sure people actually go ahead and purchase this stuff when they're on the site. You understand what I'm saying? So now we're going to get over here. ChatGPT also recommended private jets. As you can see, they recommended private jets right here. So check this out. So private jet charter Chicago cost, I mean, we already know it's going to be costing a lot of money. Look at this. A light jet from Chicago to LA will be $17,000 to $21,000 one way. And I'm pretty sure you know what a private jet is right here. Okay. So this is one way. And you're like, well, you know what, Yasriel or David? This is too good to be true. It got to be super competitive. You know, it's going to be hard to rank for this type of stuff. But watch this. Let's open this up. See, everybody thinks like you. I'm like the only one that thinks outside the box. It's only 2 pages of competition. Oh my God. That means if you got up in this snack pack, you'll probably instantly start ranking, even if you know a little bit of the basic SEO that I'm going to show you. Also, on top of that, you can rank right here organically. These guys aren't doing any special SEO for real. It's not too many people like us here. Okay. And then, like I said, if you optimize your own page SEO on your organic as well, you might even be able to take this FAQ section right here, the people also ask section, or get a snippet, featured snippet section as well. And that's going to drive calls and sales like freaking crazy, guys. So this is powerful. So if you want to promote private jet charters, then you need to go ahead and sign up for my anti-job affiliate army. This is a affiliate network where we have the most high ticket, high commission affiliate offers in the nation. Yes, we do. Now, last but not least, we're going to come over here back to ChatGPT. It says luxury car rentals, y'all. All right, now, boom. Let's get over here. Let's check out the fleet. Oh my God. Look at this one. It is $499 for 4 hours. That's a McLaren. This one is $899 for the Lamborghini. Okay. So, I mean, they ain't got a big fleet, but if you go back to Google, let's see, where is Google? And you go to one of the top guys or something like that, then I'm pretty sure that they will have like the big fleets and stuff, you know? So like this stuff is like hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of dollars. So if you just got a couple of these a day, All right, you can get up to that 5K real quick. So this is how you can use ChatGPT to make 5K per day. You use it to do market research. You use it to position yourself properly. You use it for keyword research. You use it to get an edge up on your competitors. You use it to turn your competitors to your allies because you know more than them, so they can't compete anymore. So they might as well join you. So if you want to know how to build businesses straight out of the gut of ChatGPT, you need to go ahead and sign up for that trial below. And don't just sign up on it and think you're going to disappear, because I will take away access. I'm giving you free access right now so you can test it out, because I want you to build trust and know that everything works. I've been doing this for a long time, way before ChatGPT. So you can go back to 2015 on my channel. So I'm an expert at drop servicing, drop shipping, building businesses, CPA marketing, all of that extra stuff right here. Okay, so I don't want you to think I'm some newbie or something. So go ahead and get your free trial, but stay on so you can keep access to everything and start making a killing, man. Start making a killing, y'all.